Hi, you guys.
Hi.
We have got the most exciting gift box for you. Totally got you covered for Christmas for all your friends. Seriously, we got you handled. You'll notice that it starts off just saying it's handmade with love because we love you.
We do.
We love you so much we even put the tag on there. You don't even have to buy a tag. Would you like to see what's inside? Every single thing you order from us comes wrapped up like this. So nice. This one has a DVD. It has something for a luxurious, beautiful bath, and it has some of our hand formulated. You won't be able to buy that anywhere else. It smells so delicious. This one happens to be chill. You will notice the moment whoever opens this gift will be just receiving such an amazing aroma. Whatever flavor you pick, we've got 4 to choose from. Allergy, sleep, energize, or chill. Everything comes with this beautiful packaging. On the back it tells you about our therapeutic grade oils and how everything is recyclable. Then you'll notice in this lovely little burlap bag a nice little treasure. It'll stand out because of its fragrance. You'll smell it right off the bat.
It's so good. And you know what? This one's chill. It's one of my favorite. I have people who buy this and like before they're quite out, they come, I've got to get my chill back because they use it all day long. Like when stress happens, you just go, you put a little bit on your wrist and go like this and take the fragrance, or you drop a little bit in your bathtub.
So good. Speaking of bathtubs, we've got your bath set. This is a beautiful bag of Epsom salt's lavender aroma flavor, and just so soothing and calming. Good for your body, good for your muscles.
Good for 2 baths.
Good for 2 baths. And then one of our gentle journey or whatever package you buy, DVDs, just for you, for a gift, for whoever you want to give it to.
You can give them everything all at once, or you can kind of separate them to a friend that might like the oil, a friend who might like the DVD, a friend who just might like the bath, but it makes so much sense economically. So what you need to do is you need to go there and you need to go to our website and you will come on and you will take a look at all the different products we have just for you for Christmas. We really put a lot of heart into this and a lot of hard work. And we think we've got something that you'll really love and that your friends and family will love too.
Thanks for shopping with us. Be well.